Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now today's recipe is a wonderful Indian bread which was actually a request recipe. This is Dosti Roti. So the first time I got this request I kind of wondered what this was actually, Dosti Roti. Of course Dosti is friendship and Roti is bread. This is very similar to chapati but it's very soft. It's a combination of atta, that is wheat flour, and maida, that is all-purpose flour or refined flour. So why don't we get into the recipe and see how this is done. For Dosti Roti, first we are going to make the dough. Now for this I have taken a combination of atta, that is wheat flour 1 cup. Now if you don't want to make a combination, you can just use the atta alone. Half cup maida, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons oil. You can also use melted ghee. Give it a quick mix. So just gradually start pouring the water and mixing the flour till you get a nice paliable dough. Knead it for at least about 10 minutes. So you can see I've kneaded the dough. It should be nice and smooth like this. Finally, just rub a little oil around. Close it and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, you can see the dough is very nice. Now we're going to cut them into equal portions. First you got to shape it into a nice log. So you can see I've cut it into 10 equal portions. Just roll it, just keep them aside as pairs. So flatten each dough ball with your fingers like this. So we're going to pair them. Now this is Dosti Roti. Just spread a little oil. You can also use melted ghee, dust it with a little flour on top. Now we're going to put these together. Dust the rolling surface with some flour. Place the prepared rotis and just flatten it out. Roll it like regular chapatis. Make sure you roll the roti nice and thin. Next, heat a tawa. Once the tawa is hot, place the roti and cook it on both sides till you get a lovely golden brown color. You can drizzle some ghee or oil on top of the roti. There you go. Here are these perfectly delicious Dosti Rotis that can be enjoyed with any side dish of your choice. So there you go. Here are these absolutely soft and delicious Dosti Rotis. Now the key is in the kneading and of course rolling them nice and thin, and from the video you would have seen they part into two. So make sure you follow the recipe nicely and then you can try them and enjoy them with some lovely curry by the side.